All right, this is Coach Brown. We got the dogs today. We got separated the men from the boys. And we're going to play hard today. So, the Cardinals, I think we're ready. We're throwing everything in the kitchen sink.
Woo! Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Come on.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Hey.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Yeah.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Hey.
Bring 'em out.
Go get it! Don't, you better hit them with 6. Go! Get it, Go! Let's go! Let it boom on it! Let's go! So it's cool? Go! Go get it! There we go! No, he took a knee.
DJ Khaled, just the remix. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. Whenever me and Khaled do the remix, everybody hands go up.
Showtime.
And they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win. We the best music. And if you go DJ Khaled, I'm going in. Sitting on the top floor. What you think I'm hot for? Every summer drop mode. It's to make my stock go up. Them hands.
Good game, hard knocker. We are the who? Who are we? Come over here, come over here. Get it in, get it in.